Want to make money online without holding any inventory or shipping products yourself? Dropshipping is one of the easiest ways to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can launch a fully automated dropshipping business using a powerful AI tool called Doba. It builds your entire store for you, adds trending products, writes the titles and descriptions, and even connects with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. No coding, no warehouse, no stress. If you're ready to start making money online the smart way, let's get into it. One major advantage of Doba is that 90% of its products are stocked in US warehouses. This means your customers receive their orders much faster compared to most other dropshipping suppliers that ship from overseas. Plus, Doba works with top 500 US brands, so you're not just getting faster delivery, you're also getting quality products from trusted suppliers. Finding the right products to sell is one of the toughest parts of dropshipping. Doba solves this problem with their AI-driven product selection system. Their AI uses over 20 years of market data to analyze trends, customer behavior, and sales velocity. Then, it handpicks the best products for your store, removing all the guesswork. This data-backed method ensures you're offering high-demand, high-margin products, which means better chances of making consistent profits. Another game-changing feature is Doba's AI Hub. Think of it as your own personal dropshipping assistant. It helps with product research, trend forecasting, smart recommendations tailored to your store and customers, pricing strategy by analyzing competitors, inventory monitoring, order tracking. This means you'll always know what's trending, what products are worth selling next, and how to price competitively, all while the system takes care of the boring stuff behind the scenes. One click. Product listing and full automation. Managing a store manually can be time-consuming. That's why Doba offers one-click product listing. You can instantly add products to your store without manually entering descriptions, uploading photos, or adjusting details. Even better, Doba automatically syncs inventory and pricing in real time. So if an item sells out or a supplier changes the price, your store updates instantly. And when a customer places an order, Doba handles the order fulfillment for you. No juggling multiple suppliers or platforms. Everything runs smoothly in the background so you can focus on scaling. A wide range of winning products. No matter your niche, Doba has you covered. Whether you're focused on home and garden, beauty and health, clothing and accessories, outdoor gear, baby and kids products, sports and fitness, or tech and gadgets, Doba provides a curated selection of trending, high-quality products across all popular categories, many from reputable US suppliers for fast, reliable delivery. But seamless integration with top platforms. Doba easily integrates with major e-commerce platforms including Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Wix, TikTok Shop, Temu, and more. This allows you to sync products, manage orders, and monitor inventory right from your favorite selling platform, all without extra steps. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to streamline operations and grow fast. Running a business can be challenging, and great support matters. That's why Doba offers 24/7 US-based live chat support, so help is always just a message away. You also get a dedicated account manager, someone who understands your business and can help with everything from product sourcing to scaling strategies. With Doba, you're never left on your own. Even if you're just starting out, Doba has training resources to help you succeed. Their Elite Academy offers step-by-step courses designed to teach you how to grow your store, how to market your products, how to master the dropshipping model. Plus, their blog is updated regularly with e-commerce tips, marketing strategies, and trend reports to keep you sharp. Exclusive coupons and free webinars. Doba also supports your growth with perks, like up to $50 in coupons for product sourcing. Free webinars packed with insider knowledge and advanced strategies. These promotions help reduce your startup costs while giving you the tools to level up your business. If you want to launch your dream store without the headaches of inventory, shipping, or endless manual work, Doba is the solution. Click the link in the description below to sign up and try Doba today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tips on AI tools and e-commerce success. Thanks for watching.